little bit of a mess. I'm not wearing makeup, but I just got my fall, oops, sorry, there was a spider. I just got my FabFitFun for the fall. So this is what the box looks like for this season. And I'm just super excited to open it, so I wanted to go ahead and do it now, even though I haven't done any makeup or anything. I'm going to go ahead and open it. So when you open it up, it just has like the FabFitFun logo, and then it's got some of this like crinkly stuff. Got a $15 off of a first box that you can give to a friend. You've got their little magazine thing. I think this is the thing that tells you, yeah, it tells you about some of the things and stuff like that. So you got that. Now I'm going to sit it on the bed so I can start like getting into it. Alright, so the first thing I have in here is this little bag that has a little coach thing in it. Very good quality little bag. And then it has, I think this is the jewelry. So it actually comes with a little jewelry care book. And then the jewelry is wrapped in bubble wrap. Sorry if you see my cats like moving around making noise and stuff. So this is the jewelry that I ordered. It's got 2 earrings and a little necklace. It's like really, really pretty. I don't normally do gold, but I was in the mood to try it. So this is what I got first. And I love that it comes with its own little bag. I think that's super cute. I'm just going to pop that back in there. The next thing in here is this. It is the Dose & Co. I'm not sure. Pure collagen, unflavored collagen peptides. It's got no artificial ingredients, 20 grams of collagen per serving, and it's hair, skin, and nail support. And my cats, I didn't lock them out today, and they're just like getting into everything. I'm sorry. Basically, it says to use, you enjoy 4 teaspoons of powder in 7 fluid ounces of water, milk, coffee, or add to a smoothie, and mix it well. So this is a lot bigger than I was expecting. I didn't think it would be that big. I don't want to open it yet because I don't want to use it yet. Oh, and they're plastic free, so they don't have like a scoop or anything. So I guess you just use like a metal one that you have. But this is cool. I definitely want to try it. We'll see. Because I don't know. Like I've never tried collagen, but I've heard it's really good for you. So I'm going to give that a shot. Can you guys wave? The next thing in here is this. It's an eco-friendly comb set. These combs are environmentally friendly and perfect for all types of hair from curly to straight. The set includes both a large tooth comb and a small tooth comb with soft rounded teeth, making it easy to detangle hair, preventing breakage. Let's see if I can get this off. I have like the most trouble with this plastic and stuff. I might just cut to this being open if it takes too long. Alright, got it. So I open it up. I've got 2 combs, they're both pink. And they're not plastic. I don't know, what are these made of? They're made of polypropylene and wheat straw. So they're actually really nice. Interested to try them in my hair. They feel a lot different than a regular comb because they're not metal or plastic, but I'm definitely going to give them a try and see how they work. I think they're super cute regardless of how they work, so that's the next thing. My cat is literally sitting on the box now. You want to be in the video? This one is Solaire. He's my first baby, well, my second baby, but my first kitten. And he's always got to be in things. Let's get down. Okay, go. Alright, the next thing in here is the Petty in a Box Deluxe 4-Step Pumpkin Spice. It's vegan and it has pumpkin extract. It includes 2 complete 4-step pedicure kits, a sea salt soak, a sugar scrub, a mud mask, and a massage butter. So this is a lot more involved than I thought it was going to be. So you have to basically add the desired amount of salt to the warm water and soak the skin. Then massage the feet and lower legs with the sugar scrub and rinse. Then you put the mud mask on and leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. Then rinse that off, and then you put the massage butter on and let it soak in. So that's kind of cool. I really didn't realize how many items were going to be in here. Oh, and they're also like numbered, so like you know exactly what order to use them in, so that's really cool. I actually might end up doing a review on this on my blog, since it is kind of a beauty product, or it is a beauty product. So those are cool. I'm super excited to give them a go, and I will let you know. I won't be able to try them tonight because my water in my house is actually not working right now, but I'll let you guys know what I think once I can try them. The next thing in here is, you guys might have actually seen this in, I think, one of my CosBox videos, is the Earth Harbor Marina. I absolutely love this stuff, and when I saw that FabFitFun had a grouping with this in it, I had to get some because I'm running out of the other one. So this stuff is amazing. I absolutely recommend it. I actually have a review for it on my blog, so definitely check this stuff out. You will love it. After that, the next thing in here, let's see, what is this one? The next thing is wrapped in this plastic. Let's see if I can get that off. It says Heineken alcohol-free. Winnie. So I guess they gave me a little alcohol-free Heineken. Is this supposed to be beer? I'm not really sure. I might try it, but if this is supposed to be beer flavored, I absolutely hate beer, so I might let my husband have it. So I'll test it when he's here and see what he thinks. So that's in there. That's like an add-on, because that's not something that I was expecting. The next thing I have in here is from the 2 Bandits. Oh, I remember seeing this. This came in a set with the combs in the Marina. Let's see if I can get it out. So this is like a super cute little multi-tiered like jewelry holder, I guess, if you want to call it that. So you can just like put things in it. It's super soft. I think it's adorable, and I love that you can like close or open the tiers however you want. I think it not only will be functional, but it'll look cute in backgrounds. So I'm really excited for that. The next thing in here is this hat. It is from Hocus Pocus. It's a Buffalo Creek check baseball cap. So it looks like this, and it's got a little buckle on the edge for fastening it. I can't really put it on right now, but it's like really cute. I don't normally wear hats, but I kind of want to start, so I thought this would be like a super cute one to like start getting into them. And Gwenny, don't eat that. Gwenny's trying to eat the little papers in here. And last but not least, I'm really excited for this. I have a Phantom Chef 8-inch frying pan. So it's supposed to be non-stick, PFOA free, and PTFE free. And it says to wash thoroughly before use. It says it has an ergonomic stay cool handle, dishwasher suitable, non-stick, works for all cooktops. So I'm really excited about this. I definitely feel like I'm becoming an adult now since I get excited for these things. So it's not like a huge frying pan, but it's perfect if I'm just going to make like a little something. And it's super cute. I love the color and like the handle. It's like really soft and it seems really sturdy. So I'm really excited for this. It even comes with like the care instructions, and I can't wait to give this a go and use it. But I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. That is everything that I have in my box this time. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. And I will see you guys later. Bye guys!